Good morning everyone. The state of our planet is in peril and urgent. Collaborative action is necessary to ensure its survival. Today, we will look into the current predicament of our planet and discuss the steps that we can all take to protect it for future generations. Let's get started. Geography provides an understanding of the world and its inhabitants from a worldwide perspective. It brings us stories from different corners of the globe and allows us to appreciate the intricate beauty of our planet. Through the exploration of geographic knowledge, we can uncover the significance and correlations between different regions and discover new methods to build a brighter and more sustainable future. Physical features of our planet provide far more than just visual appeal. They are indicative of the state of the environment and have profound repercussions on our lives. Mountains determine regional weather systems and also provide a safe haven for wildlife and flora. Rivers and oceans are a primary source of water and sustenance for humanity and farming. Unfortunately, physical features can lead to catastrophic outcomes due to natural disasters. Investigating the geography of an area can help to detect potential risks and the appropriate preventative measures can be taken. Moreover, learning more about physical features can foster an understanding of Earth's fragile and intricate ecosystems. Climate patterns are an essential part of analyzing the ramifications of climate change and other environmental matters. Through scrutiny of climates in different areas, we are able to observe how weather influences culture and everyday life. For instance, in arid regions water access is significant in the cultivation of crops and in the construction of buildings. Meanwhile, in tropical areas, rainfall has an impact on cultivating crops and on the spread of disease. Examining climate patterns can also aid students in comprehending the intricate interconnection between human activities and nature. For instance, deforestation in the Amazon rainforest can significantly affect the local climate while also escalating global warming. By studying these connections, students can appreciate how their decisions are a part of a superior system and develop a sense of responsibility towards the planet. Understanding the cultural landscapes of different regions can provide valuable insight into global issues. From an understanding of the language, religion, and customs of the Middle East, to an exploration of the impact of colonialism on indigenous cultures in Latin America, studying these landscapes is an invaluable way to gain knowledge about the world around us and the issues that shape it. Knowledge of cultural landscapes can deepen our understanding of immigration, conflict, and globalization, and help us to respond more grounded and informed perspective. Our planet consists of interconnected physical features, climate patterns, cultural landscapes, and global issues that affect people worldwide. Studying these elements can help students gain a better comprehension of the world and become better informed global citizens. For instance, the effects of climate change on distinct regions can illustrate the impacts environmental matters have on people's lives. This knowledge may generate recognition of the delicate state of our planet and the worth of implementing changes in our communities to bring about positive outcomes. Geographically speaking, our planet is an intricate and delicate network. With the right geographic knowledge, however, we can find solutions to some of the world's most pressing challenges. Such knowledge can help prepare for, and respond to, natural disasters, provide sustainable strategies to fight climate change, and even help resolve conflicts peacefully. Border disputes, cultural differences, and historical contexts can all be taken into account to head off potential sources of conflict before they become larger issues. Educators have a significant role in aiding students to comprehend the health of our planet. Hands-on activities, field trips, and technology-based learning can help cultivate an admiration of geographic delicateness and intricacy. Google Earth and GIS mapping can be leveraged to investigate regions and analyze data on climate trends and natural catastrophes. Additionally, the National Geographic Society provides a plethora of resources for instructors to include in their teaching techniques. Assessments of students should be conducted to check their understanding of the physical characteristics and weather conditions of different regions. Examples of performance tasks which can help show comprehension include map reading, analyzing data, and creating visuals of geographic ideas. Project-based assessments, like researching global problems, give students a chance to increase their understanding by making use of their knowledge on geographic topics to resolve real-world difficulties. Through such evaluations, students can gain a better understanding of the intricacy and vulnerability of the environment of our planet. Geography isn't only about rote memorization of facts and figures. It is about understanding the environment in which we live, discovering patterns, connections, and the global context. Unfortunately, many pupils, especially those from disadvantaged backgrounds, may not be fortunate enough to have access to the necessary resources and cultural knowledge for an extensive and equal education in geography. However, with the right teaching strategies, these obstacles can be overcome. By providing options to a lecture-style learning, such as engaging activities and technology-based study, educators can give students a chance to explore and comprehend the intricacies of geography. By embracing the challenges associated with teaching and learning the subject, educators can create an equitable educational platform and give learners a profound perception of the world. Collaboration is essential in the modern world to teach geographic education effectively. Linking students to local organizations and enabling access to international exchanges help them to comprehend global problems, traditions, and the effects of climate change more profoundly. Field trips, joint projects, and virtual exchange programs provide students with the ability to develop themselves and participate in environmental projects. Through collaboration, we can create a healthier, more aware, and interlinked world. As we continue to evolve our comprehension of our planet's well-being, technology will persistently remain a vital element of the process. Virtual field trips, interactive maps, and other tech advancements have enabled us to acquire an improved and wider grasp of the world we live in. Moreover, there is a tendency towards combining geographical knowledge with other topics, such as history, social studies, and science, to make a connection between geography and other disciplines, and comprehend how it influences our day-to-day lives. By providing our students with the necessary means to make these connections, we can secure that future generations will be able to build a more meaningful appreciation and understanding of their environment and its vulnerability. Geography is much more than memorizing maps and place names. It is about cultivating an in-depth understanding of the world we inhabit and our role within it. Teaching students about physical landscapes, climate patterns, cultural influences, and real-world applications of geographic knowledge can widen their horizons and enrich their appreciation of interconnectedness. Geographic education can stimulate students to become informed and compassionate global citizens, prepared to confront the intricate difficulties our world is facing. By emphasizing geographic education in our classrooms, we can contribute to creating a more just and sustainable future. Thank you for thinking about how geography can help us move towards a healthier planet.